In this video, I will guide you on how to get and activate Facebook on your Fitpro smartwatch, whether it's the Watch 8 Ultra, the T800 or the C800 Fitpro smartwatch. And the process is quite simple. What you want to do is to basically connect your Fitpro smartwatch to your phone using the Fitpro smartwatch app. If yours is already connected, then you don't have to worry. But if you have not yet connected yours, what you want to do is to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store of your phone. Go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Then from the search bar at the bottom, you want to go ahead and just type Fitpro. Then make sure you download and install this Fitpro smartwatch app into your phone. Once the app is downloaded and installed, before you open it up, you want to first of all make sure you turn on the Bluetooth of your phone, and then also make sure you turn on the service location of your phone as well. Now you can go ahead and open up the app by just clicking on the open button once it is downloaded. And the setup process is quite simple. You just have to click on the agree button. Then also go ahead and give the app permission to use your location to search for your Fitpro smartwatch. So click on the why using this app option. And what you want to do is to come over to the set button at the bottom over here. Click on the bind devices to experience more feature, and then just click on the allow button over here. Now your Fitpro smartwatch will start to look for available smartwatches it can connect to. You can literally see my Watch 8 over here, so I'll go ahead and select it. Now it is trying to pair with the Fitpro smartwatch. And once the pairing process is completed, you're going to get a pop-up on the screen asking you to pair both devices through Bluetooth. So just click on got it. You're also going to get a pairing pop-up just like this. Go ahead and click on pair. If you do not see that pop-up, you want to just come over to the Bluetooth settings and make sure you also pair both devices through Bluetooth as well. Now finally, in order for you to activate and get Facebook on your Fitpro smartwatch, whether it's the T800, the C800 or the Watch 8 Ultra, you want to go ahead and just click on the message push option over here. Click on allow, and then from the list of social medias over here, you want to select the Facebook option, then click on open. And then finally, go ahead and look for the Fitpro smartwatch from over here, select it, and then just make sure you turn on allow notification access. Now you're going to get this little warning. Just ignore it by clicking on the OK button at the bottom over here. And I'll go back to the Fitpro smartwatch app, and you can now toggle on the Facebook notification for the Fitpro smartwatch app. And just like so, you should now be able to receive all of your Facebook messages and notifications from your phone to your Fitpro smartwatch. If you're still having the problem where you're still not able to receive your Facebook messages and notifications to your Fitpro smartwatch, what you can actually do is to just go over to the settings of your phone. So come over to settings and then look for the app settings on your phone. Now go ahead and look for the Fitpro smartwatch from the list of apps over here, and you can literally see mine. I'll go ahead and select it. Then make sure you toggle on notification. So under notification, make sure you toggle on show notification for the Fitpro smartwatch app. Also go ahead and look for the Facebook application, select it, and then also make sure you toggle on notification for the Facebook app on your phone as well. And once that is done, you can now proceed to try sending a message to yourself on Facebook, and you will definitely receive it on your Fitpro smartwatch as well. Okay, so I have just sent a message to myself on Facebook now, and you're going to definitely see as I will receive the message on both my phone and my Fitpro smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.